Okay, so this is going to be a quick video tutorial on how to deploy a Spring Boot application with MySql database to Elastic Beanstalk. First thing we need to do is go for a console, go to Elastic Beanstalk, create a new environment. We use web server environment. Application name, we're just going to call this YouTube demo. And I am using Java and Java 8. I tend to kick off with a sample application instead of uploading the file right then, just in case whatever else goes wrong. But anyways, this will take like 5 to 7 minutes, so I'll get back to you in a second. Okay, that was about 7 minutes. You can see that we have our Elastic Beanstalk project up and running, and we have to do like 3 things to get this finished. So first we have to do is change the server port to 5000 and add the MySql database, and also we need to add our jar file. So first thing, even if regardless what database you use, you'll still have to update the server port to 5000. So remember, right, it's just server port 5000. Alright, go back to configuration. We're going to add a database. It should automatically pop up a MySql database. Yeah, you can adjust it here, but really the only thing we gotta do is add a username and password. We're gonna go root, and then we're gonna go Okay, so this should take a little bit longer, another like 5 to 7 minutes. There's one thing I need to do in the database, and then we're almost done. Alright. Okay, so our database is done being built. And there is one thing that I need to do. If you look at my project, I use a dedicated schema for this project, so I need to create that in the database. You could probably skip that part, but it's not too difficult. What the important things that we need is this endpoint and port. So what we want to do is, I need to do is log into my database. I think it goes something like I'm not 100% sure if I did that with my password or not. Oh. That was that endpoint that we did, and now it's going to be port 306. Whoops, misspelled MySql. Okay, so if it doesn't immediately come up, could be a password problem, but most likely it is a security group problem. So what we'll need to do is go back into RDS, click on the security group. This only happened, I don't know how this happens. We need to change an inbound rule. add a rule, and I believe it's just all traffic. Anywhere. Save rules. That should do it. Let's go back to our console, see if RDS completed being built. Okay. Alright, let's go back into our terminal. Try to run that same command now. Alright, so now we have access to our database. First thing I like to do is show schemas. This was the step I was saying that you could probably skip because I need to create a schema, which is going to be this. Okay, we're in. Now, the only thing we need to do is create the jar file. Okay, so now we're in the home stretch. We have to update our application with the database endpoint, then upload our jar. So what we need to copy this endpoint, switch over to our application, update our URL, update the password. What did I do? And this is why I had to update the schema directly, is because it was looking for this schema. Alright, now we go into our terminal here. We run a Maven clean package. Just take just a minute. It's connecting to our new database. Build success, cool. And this is the file we're looking for. So we'll go back into Amazon, the application, and here we'll upload that jar file we just created. And again, this will take like 5-ish minutes. Okay, now that it's all deployed, we can actually go check it out. You look at the link right here. This is the CRUD application. It's just a basic application that goes and shows all the different locations of the Chicago street murals. And for a user, they can come in and upload an image and they'll be able to vote on it and search by different wards. There it is. Hope it helped.